Okay, hey superstars, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! I'm here, and in this video here, I want to show you how to make quick, big money online fast. That means in one day. You have many ways to make money. One of the ways that I use to make money, Amazon affiliates. See, I just made more money. See, Amazon affiliates. You probably already know about this. You can go to Amazon.com, okay, like this. And it's free, by the way. You scroll down and you go to affiliates here. Where is it at? Become an, Become an affiliate. Right? Let's scroll down. Hold on, I'm sorry. Become an affiliate here. My internet is just moving so slow. I think it's because I'm so high in the air. I'm on the 46th floor. I'm kind of high. So here's just a way to make money, right? But, you know, we don't want to just make $9 a day or $2 a day or like $98. That's not enough money, right? That's not going to retire us, right? That's not going to leave us get us from my job or allow us to retire. So this is not, it's a way, but it's not big money, okay? Or another way that I use is ClickFunnels. And write it down if you want to. You can promote ClickFunnels here. And let me show you something here. Okay, let me do a refresh here. They pay you 40% of every sale, and the average sale is about $97. So that's, I mean, I do about 15 to 20 grand, I think, and a lifetime, or as you can see here, $22,000. Like, that's not enough money, right? You can't like live off that, right? But it's just a way to make money. But I'm not talking about that because it's not big money. But you can become an affiliate of ClickFunnels, and it's really easy to do. I have another video you can go watch to show you how to do that with no skills. But that's small money. What we want to do is make big money. If that's you, do this. Say, yes, Wesley, show me the big money. Now, let me show you. Pay attention. I'm going to show you two platforms where you can make the big money fast, okay, in one day. You can see money show up. And in your bank account, it's going to be in the merchant processor because the merchant processor has to send you the money. It takes about 2 to 3 days. Make sense? But you're going to see that you're actually actively making money every single day. $500 plus. Is that cool? First thing you do is here. Go to clickbank.com. Clickbank was the first website that I enrolled with years ago when I was broke. And luckily, I'm blessed that I made my first million with them. So I love them. Even though my products are not on the platform, but the platform is great. It's great for beginners. But let me show you what to do to make the big money, okay? Write this down. When you're promoting products, only promote high ticket products if you're trying to make big money in one day. Now you may say, Wesley, what's a high ticket product? Any product that sells for $1,000 and more, and there are many of them online, right? $1,000 and more is what you want to promote. And you don't need any skill, you don't need any education, nothing. Because guess what? If you give me a like right now, if you just hit that like button, how about I just show you in the video step by step real quickly how to do it? Is that cool? Yeah. Just hit the like button. Okay. All right. So here we go. So when you go to clickbank.com, now understand this. Clickbank is a merchant processor and an affiliate platform. So these are the people that's going to pay you. So what you want to do is I'm going to show you how to have money show up here. Mine is zeros because, well, these are old accounts. I've been on here so many years and I'm no longer on this platform promoting products. But I'm going to show you how to have like $500 to $600 to $1,000 show up here. Okay? I'm going to show you in this video. Watch this. Go to Marketplace. Then what you want to do is hit the magnifying glass here. Are you writing this down? Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna show, man, people are going to flag this video because internet marketers, they charge a bunch of money to give information like this, but I don't care. I want people to win. I really do, from the top of my heart. And listen, what you want to do here, you want to promote the right product. So you may say, Wesley, how do I know which high ticket? We want to promote high ticket. See where it says sort results by. Go to average sale. See what it says high to low. And you scroll down. Now that says $2,400. So They're paying out some nice money right here. But listen, now listen. That's the average sale. That means that you're pretty much guaranteed to make $2,400 based off your marketing skill, okay? But I won't promote this. Why? Because the gravity is too low. You got to pay attention. Just because you see a product here and you see the average sale doesn't mean it's making money. Gravity shows you everything. Gravity means this. How many new people or how many people on the internet are actually making money? No one. No one's making money with this person, okay? So we're going to pass them by. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. We want to find something that we can promote. Got Ty Lopez on there as well. Still searching. John Crestani here. Now this is not a bad one to promote here. His product is $1,000, and if you sell it, which I'm gonna show you how to do it easily, you don't spend no money. You make $500. So write that down. So what we do first, we get a few. I just made some more money, guys. See that? I'm making money. Listen, we get a few products that we want to promote. Okay, does that make sense? We want to get a few high tickets. So write that down. John Crestani, auto webinar. Okay, that's one. Here's another one, Simple Wi-Fi Profit. I know these guys. They're 21 years old. They're out of California. They make $1 million a month. It's a good product to promote. They're gonna pay you $600. See, a lot of you're promoting these lowball offers. That's not going to put you in the penthouse. Like I pay $20,000 a month for this place. I can't promote like $2 products. I just can't. Not on Amazon. You got to go for the big boys. Okay. So we're gonna get this guy's will. Let's write that down. Okay. So we got two so far. We got John Crestani super affiliate system, and we have simple Wi-Fi products, and we have one more that I know. This is my guy, and I just know all these people. So if you ever have problems reaching out to these people, in the comment section below, say, Wesley, I want to send some traffic to an offer. I know you know this guy. Can you do an introduction on Skype? And if you're serious, got some good traffic, and I'll do the intro. Okay. Commission Hero. See that? Gravity is 37. Anything over 20 is pretty good. All that means is 37 people in the past 12 weeks are making money. I know this guy personally. I know the product is great, and I know it works, and people are making money. Okay. So he's gonna pay you about, I think, like $400 per sale. Okay. So, but what we're gonna do, we want to make $600. So that let me show you simple Wi-Fi profit. So this is what you want to do. We're gonna find that offer again, and all you have to do as a newbie is hit the word promote. Okay. That's your affiliate ID that you signed up for free. Make sense? Hit generate hot links. Okay. And you save it. You save it right here. So listen, this is the link that's going to take you out of your job. Seriously. I did this 7 years ago, and thank God I'm free now. This is your link. Wherever you put this link and people sign up and buy, you get paid a commission. He pays 40%. So you're going to make $600 per sale. Now I know what you're thinking, Wesley, who do I sell it to? Just listen. You're not done yet. So you take their link, copy it, go to a site called bit.ly.com. Well, the thing about social media and just the internet in general, they don't like affiliate links, and that's an affiliate link that you're going to basically make $10,000 to $15,000 a month, or make the biggest payday of your life in one day. Make sense? With no skill. So we use Bit.ly here because it disguises the URL. Make sense? So you copy and paste it here. It's shortened, and everybody can do this. Even I do this, and I'm already rich. But if I can make money without spending money, wouldn't you do it? You like that, right? Everybody would. Copy here. Okay. So now you may say, well, Wesley, where do I put this link? Like, what do I do with this information? And like, how do I set up? Listen, that's what you do. You go back to the offer, simple Wi-Fi profits. You see where it says Wi-Fi profits event.com SW affiliates. Click on that. See, the great thing, smart vendors, they actually give you the tools, okay? They give you the tools to promote the products. Like, you don't have to do any work. Does that make sense? You don't have to do any work. It's getting dark here, guys. So, as you can see, I'm dark skinned. So, you can't see me. Now, listen. These guys are smart because they give you everything you need to promote their product. So, I'm going to show you something that no internet marketer has ever put online. I haven't seen any video like this, but I'm going to show you a back way to make some easy money. You click here to access email swipe. So an email swipe is this. Let me make it very simple. Have you ever got an email from somebody and basically they're trying to get you to buy something? That's called an email swipe. Email swipes are created in a very specific way by expert people to get you to buy and sign up for this stuff. But guess what? You're going to use this email swipe and you're going to make $600 today. Is that cool? Check this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here, and no marketer is doing this, and no marketers will make a video like this public. I'm sure of it. This is the backdoor way, because you might say, you know, what type of content do I put to get people to, you know, engage in this offer here, okay? So I'm going to take this email here. You see this email here? First, I need to save the swipe. So what you're going to use is the Facebook platform, okay? So then go back to Facebook. Let me log into Facebook. I created a brand new account for you guys, okay? Because I want to show you that even if you have no followers, you have no subscribers, you have nothing, it still works. Is that cool? But you have to do it, okay? So I'm done, all right? So let me copy my link. I just want to put it there. So once I put my copy, which is here, it's good to go. So look at this. Personal question. These are subject lines. So basically, we're going to take this here, okay, and we're going to paste it here. I mean, this is going to be an actual Facebook post. Now, I know a lot of you have friends or fake friends on Facebook, right? But listen, if you have like 1,000 plus 500, 200 friends, you're missing out on so much money. People will click. Now, understand this type of copy is written from experts, okay? They know what's going to make people engage into the content. Just use it for yourself, okay? Make sense? So now what we want to do is take this link here and we want to replace it wherever you see it says click here for a free spot. Put your link there. You can put your name here. I'll put Wes. So where it says first name, instead of first name, say hey big head. Right? It's just cool. A hey big head or hey Dumbo ears. What it's done is a pattern interrupt. So when you post that, they're gonna read it. If you say hey big head, people are gonna be like, big head, what do you mean? Right? But they will engage in the content here. And you let this guy do all the work for you. You just sit back. See here? Look at that. Quick question. If I told you that you could turn spare time, blah, 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 whatever, you just copy it here and put your link right here. Best West. You see that? If you want to kill that part here, you see this right here? Just made more money again, guys. Listen. And you just post it. Boom. See what I did there? Now listen. Everybody on your Facebook page is going to see that. Everybody. Everybody. Now listen, everybody is not going to click that link. But a lot of people will, because see, the copy was written so people do click. Make sense? Okay? And you can read it. Right? What you want to do is, what type of people buy products like that? Well, people that are entrepreneurs. So you go type in entrepreneurship. I do this all the time. And just join all these groups. Join them. Join. Look at that. Just join all these groups. Join. Successful female. Look, anything that has entrepreneurship, business owners, you see that? Join all these groups. And what you want to do is just share it out to those groups. Now, be careful. Be careful, because they can ban you from those groups. So what I would do, if you want to be smart, and this can happen in one day, by the way, give value first. Join the group and say, thank you so much for allowing me to join your group. I want to give some value. If you guys don't mind, I want to give some value that I think it may help you guys, right? You can take exactly what I showed you, right? That affiliate link, and you can go to forums, okay? Entrepreneur or business owner, okay? Like, I still do this until today. And you go here and you sign up for the forums. They're free. Make sense? And all you do is you take the exact information that you see here and you can copy and paste. All right? Now listen, some of these people may ban you, but some of them, they're not even paying attention to the comments. But I'm just showing you how to make big money quickly, $600. I love you guys. Let's go!